Want to create thumbnails just like world's #1 YouTuber Mr. Beast? Then you're on the right video. I created these amazing thumbnails using AI within a minute. Stay connected till end so you can learn to create engaging and high CTR thumbnails and get more audience and revenue. Without wasting time, let's get started. It has amazing features which you can see on the screen. We will try different features of this AI tool in this video. Thumbs.ai is an AI YouTube thumbnail generator designed to stop the guessing game for creators. Whether you're looking for a Mr. Beast thumbnail style or something totally unique, this AI thumbnail designer analyzes what's actually working on YT right now and helps you create high CTR designs in seconds. It's like having a pro designer who knows the algorithm inside out. You don't need to be a graphic designer to use this AI tool. You can type a simple prompt or paste a YouTube video link. You're good to go. The thumbnail editor is super intuitive. You can add a thumbnail arrow, swap a thumbnail face, or change the thumbnail text generator settings with just a few clicks. It's built for creators. After logging in, I am on the Thumbs.ai dashboard. One by one, we will explore all the features of it, so see if it is worth using or not, starting from downloader. This feature allows us to download thumbnail from any YouTube video available in the world, which is an interesting and great thing. Let's open Mr. Beast channel and download the thumbnail we want. We just have to paste the link of the video. After the link, do the settings as you want and simply click on Extract Thumbnail, and our thumbnail is ready. AI thumbnail creation. Recreate thumbs. It has two options: text to thumbnail or image to thumbnail. In image section, we can directly paste the link of YouTube video or upload the image from which we want to create or edit the thumbnail. We have prompt option. We can write whatever we want to edit or generate. There's clone style or reference option. We can choose from these or simply let AI decide the best version for us. Add your face option allow us to add our face or image of any face. We can later save this face and use in our video's thumbnail by simply changing the emotions with the help of this AI, like sad, happy, shocked, angry, and more. Let's upload the image and give the prompt to see the working of it. This is the final result of Mr. Beast's thumbnail we just generated with our character in it. I have generated the image to thumbnail, but for now, let's also try text to thumbnail feature. In this, we just have to give prompt and generate. You can see on the screen, this is the thumbnail we generated. It's quite good. It is simple and easy to use and generate thumbnails within minutes with just prompt and images. Let's again try face and emotions feature. I love this feature. You can literally turn any emotionless face to whatever emotion you want with just a click. Its working is simple. Upload your image, select the emotion you want to apply in it, and you are done. Another great thing about Thumbs.ai is that you can not just edit and create thumbnails, but you can entirely copy or clone entire YouTube channel style of your favorite creator. I have created much alike professional thumbnails, just like Mr. Beast, using my own images in it, without using Canva or any editing platform. As we talk about pricing, it has 3 plans. Premium starting from $11, which gives 100 credits, allowing you to generate 50 thumbnails per month. Ultimate starting from $41 with 500 credits per month, allowing to generate 250 thumbnails. Master plan cost $119 per month, allowing us to generate 1,000 thumbnails per month with 2,000 monthly credits. I hope this video will be helpful. Like, share, and subscribe to Jugaar Expert for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.